So I'm headed to the creek. I'm not really sure how this is going to go, but I'm going to try to wrestle up this this root system on my paddle board and paddle it back. And I was able to roll it up out of the water up onto shore. So I know I can move it around a little bit, but honestly, I don't think I've ever had a piece this awkward that I've tried to put onto my paddle board. So anyhow, we'll see what happens. Well, I'm stuck with a low tide. Normally I would say that's a good thing, but not today, because the piece that I came to get's way too damn heavy to lug out to the paddle board out there beyond those trees. It's this piece right here. It's a really nice piece, but I can't get that one today. But I did find another one over here that's possible. How about this gnarly looking thing? Think I'll give it a go. So as usual, when I came out here, there was a southeasterly wind, which meant the wind would be in my favor on the way back over there to the boat ramp, but now it's switched to northeast. So now I'm going against the wind. Okay, so I've got to paddle this thing back against the wind, but the good thing is it is low tide, and if I want to walk, I'll just walk. So maybe find some more stuff, see what happens. All right, that wraps up another day on the river. So yeah, got another gorgeous day out here on the St. Johns River, and pretty glassy, and it's an hour before high tide, so I'm gonna make another shot at going down and getting this piece of driftwood that's up on shore that I couldn't get the other day in the low tide. So let's just go see what happens, and if not that one, maybe I can get some more stuff that's smaller. I'm not even sure I can handle that thing or not, but we're gonna give it a try though. See some eelgrass starting to come back in the river. That's a good sign. Here's the piece. Okay, and 50 feet away is a paddle board, so it's not going to get any better than this. So let's give it a go, see what happens. There it is. Thank goodness. So this big old gorgeous thing back here about kicked my butt today. I'm not gonna lie, it was pretty tough getting this thing out of here, but look at this thing. Big old beautiful root system.